What's the meaning of closeout? Closeout. Closeout.
Closeout. Closeout. Closeout refers to the process of completing all the required tasks and activities of a project or contract. It involves finalizing all the necessary paperwork, ensuring that all deliverables have been met, and verifying that all contractual obligations have been fulfilled. The result of a closeout is the successful completion of a project or contract within the given timeframe and budget. This allows the parties involved to officially close the project or contract, assess its success, and take any necessary steps for future improvement.